The 2014 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated mirrors, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, body color bumpers, power moonroof. Inside you'll find DVD system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, dual front airbags, dual zone AC. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.